English speaking has become one of the most valuable skills in today's world. It opens many doors for learning, working, traveling, and building confidence. When a person knows how to speak English comfortably, life becomes easier in many ways. The first big advantage of English speaking is communication. English is spoken in many countries and understood by millions of people. Whether you travel to another state, another country, or meet someone online, English helps you express your thoughts clearly. Even if people come from different backgrounds, English becomes a common language to talk to each other. This reduces confusion and helps you build better relationships. Another important advantage is education. Most of the world's knowledge, books, research, articles, tutorials, and study material is available in English. When you speak and understand English, you can learn new skills faster. You can watch international videos, read global content, and understand advanced topics. Students who speak good English can easily access high-quality education from around the world. English speaking also brings many career benefits. In almost every field, business, teaching, technology, medicine, aviation, hospitality, customer service, or government, English is used for communication. Companies prefer employees who can speak English confidently because they can deal with clients, give presentations, attend meetings, and represent the company. Good English creates more job opportunities and increases the chance of getting a better salary. In today's digital world, English is everywhere. Social media, websites, apps, movies, interviews, online courses, and job portals mostly use English. If you speak English well, you can use technology more easily. You can write emails, create content, read news, watch tutorials, and understand international trends. This helps you stay updated and confident in the modern world. Another advantage is personal growth. When you speak English, you feel more confident in yourself. You're not afraid to talk to people or express your ideas. You can participate in discussions, seminars, workshops, and interviews without hesitation. Slowly, your personality becomes stronger. You learn how to speak politely, professionally, and effectively. English speaking improves your overall communication skills, not just in English, but even in your mother tongue. English also connects you with the world. You can make international friends, join global communities, and understand different cultures. You can watch Hollywood movies, English shows, motivational videos, and educational content without waiting for translations. This expands your thinking and helps you learn new perspectives. Another benefit is easy travel. When you visit airports, hotels, tourist places, or restaurants in any country, English is commonly used. If you can speak English, you will not face problems with directions, bookings, or travel information. Finally, English speaking helps you become independent. You don't need others to translate for you. You can read instructions, fill forms, understand rules, talk to officials, and handle situations on your own. In simple words, English speaking is not just a language skill, it is a life skill. It helps you study better, work better, travel better, and live more confidently. Anyone can learn English with regular practice, and once you learn it, it becomes a powerful tool for your future.